before I get started, this is new. If you can't tell, I got bangs. And I don't know how I feel about them. So I'm stressing out right now doing this video because I don't know if I look crazy. My husband is hesitant to tell me if I look crazy, and I'm just trying to give y'all something different for spring break so y'all can be sexy and fine. But I don't know if this is working for me in my head, my face structure, and all that kind of stuff. So let me know if you like it, because if y'all don't, then I'm taking this out. I'm taking these bangs out, and I'm putting my long hair, my long strands back in, and we just gonna look the same every time. So anyways, it's my rant. All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited to do a review for you guys, or actually not even a review, but I'm just excited to talk about this hair that I have in. It is by Trendy Tresses, and they were kind enough to send me this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys all the specs and everything that I have in, and then I'll let you guys know exactly what I think. I have in 5 packs of the Nubian Curl, which is in 18 inches. Inside of the pack, the first thing that they give you is going to be just kind of tips and tricks, this little pamphlet to help you take care of your hair, how to handle it, giving you tips like don't put any heat on it, how many packs you should probably need, using fabric conditioner on this hair because it is synthetic hair, and you do not need to use, like, you know, your real products at home. So just, you know, wearing a silk bonnet to bed, those kind of things, which is very, very nice. I love when companies give you things like this, because they've already tested their hair. They already know what works and what doesn't work, and you don't have to do, like, you don't have to play a guessing game, which is great. Also, I love the packaging. I love that they send it to you in this little, you know, this little tie thingamabobber. So just in case you do want to reuse your hair, you can always store it in there, which is very, very nice. That's the hair. It does say at the top which curl you are getting, so just in case you need to know or whatever, like I was gonna go back in my email and try and figure out which curl I did order from them. It says it right there, the Nubian Curl in 18 inches 1B. The strand. Here's how the hair looks. It is very, very springy and coily, and just, it's freaking beautiful. So let me just get into it. When I was speaking with the owner or the representative, I was very nervous about the hair because of the price point for synthetic hair. And it was not like it was a pre-made wig and all that kind of stuff. And for me, the price point on this, which is around, I want to say, like, I think it was like $12 or $13 a bundle, because y'all are gonna go and click on the link anyway, so I'm just gonna tell you. I was like, ooh, that is expensive for some crochet hair, because I'm used to, you know, super cheap hair, like, you know, $4 a pack or something like this. So all in all, you know, for 5 packs of hair, which is, no matter who you are, I think I have a super large head, and 5 packs of hair is definitely enough for me. So you're paying, what's 13 times 5 is 60 something dollars. $65 for some synthetic hair. And so I was like, I don't know how my, you know, my subscribers are going to, like, receive this or anything like that, but I was like, you know what, let's go for it. So anyways, I went for it, and right when I got the hair, I remember I got it, you know, from the mail people, whatever. I took it out the package, and I just felt it. I felt the bottom of the curl, you know, and I was like, oh, I'm excited. Fast forward, and I am actually installing the hair, and I was like, what? I was blown away last night. Now, yesterday I had a huge migraine. It lasted for like 6 or 7 hours. It was so bad. Nothing was helping, but I managed to get this hair installed, and I didn't cut it or anything like that. I just tied it up and then went to bed and cut it this morning. But when I was installing it yesterday, I was blown away. This hair reminded me of bundle hair. No lie. No, y'all, I'm so serious. It reminded me of bundle hair. And so I was like, oh, okay, all right, okay. You know, it got me very, very excited. So yeah, I am beyond impressed with this crochet hair. You like have something special you're about to attend, or you're going, you know, you're about to graduate, you know, in May or June, or your wedding's coming up, you've got, you know, anniversary coming up, or just something like that. You're going to somewhere for spring break is coming up, and you just want to look fly. I highly recommend this hair. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. And I say that with everything in me. You will not be disappointed with this hair. If you do need to order it for an event or something like that, just make sure you give yourself ample amount of time to receive the hair for it to go through customs and all that shipping language that I don't really know nothing about. Here's a tip when cutting curly hair. My number one tip is never do it the first day. I never cut hair. I never cut curly hair on the first day after I finish installing it, because I'm very indecisive and I don't know if I want all of it chopped off or some of it chopped off or whatever. So second, find some inspiration. So depending on the kind of texture hair I am doing, whether that's crochet hair or I have a wig, whatever it is, if it's tight coils like my hair is, if it's kinkier hair, I'm not gonna go and look at someone who has 3A or 3B, 3C hair to try and mimic that cut on the kind of hair, the kinky hair that I'm trying to do, if that makes sense. So for this hair, I was on Pinterest and I was looking at looser curl types. So my ladies who have the looser curl types of hair, so like 3C, I stayed in that range to see how their hair was cut and shaped and that kind of thing. I'm not gonna look at ladies that have type 4, you know, 4B, 4C kind of hair, because it just doesn't make sense. So you always just want to get some inspiration from somewhere, of course, and then you want to kind of mimic how they have cut their hair or have styled their hair, to help you kind of come up with how you are going to do your own. Okay, so if I didn't feel insecure before, I definitely feel it now, because I just got off the phone with my sister and sent her some pictures of my hair and she laughed at me. So anyway, so what you'll see in the next part is just simply me putting in the hair and just how I installed it. Nothing crazy or whatever. I will put a video of how I install my hair up here or down below in the description box, because I do it the same way every single time because I don't know what else to do. So yeah, 10 cornrows going to the back and then I just install the hair. No leave out this time, no nothing. That's it, you guys, really, for this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Trendy Tresses, for sending me this hair. I do appreciate it. I am 100% sure if you get this hair, you will absolutely love it. And that's it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And also Twitter. And that's it, you guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I hope y'all like my hair. I was trying something different. I don't know. I'm struggling.